Walang age limit at kahit hindi ka nakagraduate ng college, pwedeng-pwede kang maging freelancer. But you have to make sure na alam mo kung ano yung service or skills na i-offer. At tinatanong ni Kazi dito, may age limit po ba? No. I know someone who's been working from home and she's 65, 64, 65 years old already. She's offering operations management as well, just like myself. And we've been talking about a lot of freelancers these days after the retirement. Gusto nila sana na magkaroon pa rin sila ng ginagawa sa bahay. And something na medyo flexible, ganyan. So if you are an aspiring freelancer na alam mong may limitations ka in terms of age, health maybe, or yung educational background mo, stop. Do not undermine your capabilities and start working on your skills. Paano nga ba malaman kung paano mag-freelancing or paano magsimula? Number one lang na aalamin mo is ano ba yung i-offer mo na service. You can offer administrative, creative, tech, support, or sales. So based on your previous work experience, ano yung mga transferable skills mo doon? Ano yung mga pwede mong gawin? Ano yung mga ginagawa mo nung nandun ka sa corporate? Like kung nasa government ka, ano yung mga ginagawa mo sa government? Pagkatapos, aalamin mo kung paano mo i-offer yung service na yon at ipoposition yung sarili mo na makakatulong sa mga negosyo online. Ano nga ba yung virtual assistant? Ang virtual assistant, pag ako yung mag-explain ha, ang virtual assistant is like secretary except this time, yung boss mo, yung boss is what we call the clients, ay nakakausap mo lang online. Ngayon, kung hindi ka pa ganun kasanay na gumamit ng computer, your first step should be learning how to use the computer. Kung hindi ka marunong gumamit ng Google Workspace, kailangan pag-aralan mo ang Google Workspace. Pagkatapos unti-unti. Ngayon, if you guys are not yet sure kung ano nga ba yung magandang step-by-step process ng pag-aaral ng freelancing or makapag-work from home, punta kayo sa profile ko, i-click itong link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos makikita nyo na itong page na to. Now, from this page, itaas nyo lang siya ng onte, makikita nyo na dyan yung free resources. So, nandun siya sa may bandang baba, I believe. I'm not sure if na-edit ko na to, but ayan, there you go. Free resources. So, meron tayong hindi na for this 2024 na, hindi ko pa nasusundan. May free roadmap dyan, may free video training. Sundan nyo lang yan isa-isa hanggang sa application book session. Based on your learning curve, kung mabilis-bilis ka pa mag-absorb ng information, madali ka makakahanap ng kliyente, basta sundan nyo lang yun step by step. Now, kung hindi ka naman ganun kagaling pa in terms of yung planning or hindi ka pa ganun kahasa, huwag ka mag-alala. Makaka-receive ka ng rejections, normal yan kahit nasa mga matatagal ng nag-freelancing. However, keep in mind na you have to continuously learn even if you're already earning. Anyway, sana makatulong yung mga free guides natin dyan. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!